Okay, real quick, natural lighting except for one guy over here, very low. Oh wait, I wanted to do this. I don't know if that really does anything. I don't even know if you can really tell. I wanted to show you how much eyeliner, where you place your eyeliner can change the tilt of your eye. And I'm not just talking about like doing a wing. Real quick, I am going to just pop on, as even as I can possibly get them, on either side, a winged liner. Using Hindash's palette. Hindash's eyeliner right now. This is gonna take concentration. Okay, so I have two wings on. I tried to get them as even as possible. You know, one of them, eyes aren't even, whatever. But I wanted to show you. So I don't know if you guys have seen this, but a lot of people will apply their inner corner on the top part of their inner corner rather than the bottom part. But I wanted to show you how different it can look. So I'm going to do the top on this eye. So I'm going to be basically like applying my inner corner, my extender, from the top lash line, okay? I'm doing the same thing where I'm like connecting it to my lash line, or my inner corner. Now for this eye, I'm doing it on the bottom. So rather than starting like following this line as my guide, I'm going to follow my lower lash line as my guide. So I'm gonna kind of like take basically like the line of my lower lash line, the center point, as my guide. So I'm gonna follow like this kind of, and I'm going to start out like right here. So that's the line that I'm creating, like I'm following this line, and then I'm going to connect it up. And fill in. Can you see the difference? Is that crazy? So basically what you're doing is pretending there's an imaginary line. I just hit my mirror. So this eye, even though the wings are basically like the same, this eye has a little bit more of this slant, and this eye is a little bit more straight. Even depending on like your eye shape, could potentially start to like go downward, if that makes sense, because you're following this line. So you kind of like go up, like your eye is following that line. So you're creating like this shape, you know? So your eye is kind of going up and then coming down, which can kind of accentuate like a downward slant. Whereas this eye, you've got your starting here and this slant goes up like that. Does that make sense? So when people started doing like the inner corner wing a little bit more, I guess that's, I don't know if that's necessarily what you call it, that's what I call it. I kind of experimented with this because I didn't really love the way this looked on me. Now, you know, truthfully, I look at them, I like them both. I think they're cool. This one I think accentuates like the natural shape of my eye a little bit more. And this one is just like a little bit more like, you know what I mean? Like catty, a little more like bitchy, dramatic, and it tends to be the one that I go for. But anyway, it's super quick. I just wanted to share that with you because sometimes people who have like downward turned eyes will try to like do this kind of thing and they're like, I don't understand why this doesn't look good on me. So I just wanted to show you an alternative. And that's literally it. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know what you want to see next. And also let me know if you enjoy this lighting. It's just natural except for one panel light to make things a little more even. I think it's all right. Bye.